Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, so you can watch that, guys. That may give you clarity about your circumstances, Capricorn. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. So we have Lovers in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are someone working really hard, trying to do the best. Maybe in your work or even in your personal life, you are trying to be friendly and you want to have a beautiful relationship with this person. That is your intention. But what you see today in your life may be something unexpected. There are people in your work who are quite jealous of you and they are competing with you. So a lot of competition and difficulties you are seeing in your work circumstances or maybe in your personal life in this relationship. You feel really embarrassed. Maybe this person knows you inside out and they know all your mistakes and what you are doing wrongly today, and you are feeling very embarrassed, unable to change the way things are, and you feel really stressed because they know you and maybe whatever you do, they know it and they understand you truly, and you feel really sad for that. Maybe thinking of all the things that you have failed, made you did something wrongly. It may be your energy about your work circumstances. Maybe you failed in some projects or something, or maybe in this relationship you are unable to live up to their expectations, and this person knows everything about you and you feel really stressed or anxious. But Capricorn, you need to understand that true love is based on truth. So if they understand you, even mistakes, they will also know about your good qualities. So you can appreciate them for that and you can feel happy for that. Instead of feeling sad and anxious, you can feel happy that this person understands you 100%. That is something good. That is the first step towards building a very good relationship. So we picked one card for your relationship. It's the Empress. So it just means that you are moving towards a very good time in this connection. You are thinking of starting a family, maybe the next step, and you have that happiness, understanding. Maybe you may feel a little sad when this person points fingers at you, pointing out the mistakes, pointing out your mistakes, but you are happy deep down. You are happy that they know you clearly. They knew you completely, and you're thinking of marriage, or you're thinking of starting a family, having a child together. So, some positive outcome is what I see for you all guys. So, for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Nine of Pentacles. So things are going in a positive way in your work circumstances. You are happy about your circumstances. Maybe the choices you made are giving you happiness, and you are seeing success. You have that emotional satisfaction and joy. So that is the energy with these cards, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. If you want to watch that pick a card love reading, guys, that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are, what to say, holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it day on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals, or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is, maybe at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession, or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to what to say, if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.